friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I'm going to prepare a roasted sweet potato with bacon. It is very simple and easy meal. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Bacon, chopped, 1 pound. Sweet potato, small diced cubes, 3½ cups. Black pepper, as needed. First, I'm going to add my bacon in this heated skillet. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame. When it is half cooked, remove the bacon from the pan and set it apart. In this same pan, add the sweet potatoes and sauté. Cover the skillet. Don't forget to stir occasionally. The sweet potatoes are soft now. Add the half-cooked bacon to this and mix well. Close the skillet with the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir occasionally. Now the sweet potato and the bacon cook well. Add some black pepper and mix well. Our roasted sweet potato with bacon is ready to serve. It is really tasty and easy to make. Transfer this to the serving dish and serve hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.